in and live. Let me draw. So I take off that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the white something?
Yeah. I take off the inlet valve.
No, I'm just paying for it. No, it's still.
All of this brand new.
So I fluctuate way.
We can put it down somewhere. I put it in a room.
Move now. No, blood. How can you use? You know this a yard, everything always mash up.
New inlet valve.
When you have
This one is a fill valve that doesn't use a flopper bar. This is the new version of the inlet valve.
Okay. So you always have one version instead of the flopper bar?
Yeah, the one that have to use flopper bar. So that was the first type. Now this is the newest type.
You can't stand up.
Oh.
Like stand up to see it. Or you can't go the way there. Oh, come at the two. What is this? Then bring something there.
Rust. We come off I bolted them. See? You can come out. 3 bolted them are rusty.
You can stand up? I don't want to move back there. Oh yeah, this spirit there. One more lift. You look like a screw on, bud. Hmm? You don't look like a screw on. Straight.
Hmm? And when you start tightening it will go. That's how it will look. You will start tightening it up properly.
So where you staying? Where the sun in here?
Channel lock.
Channel lock.
Yeah.
This is a channel lock. My dear. Cannot even hold it.
You know why it named channel?
No?
Because this, to get the size you need, you slide it. You slide it in a channel. So you can make it smaller and you slide it in a channel to increase the size every time.
Oh.
That's why it name a channel, because you slide in a channel to get the size you want.
Okay.
So it's a channel lock.
My cat is pregnant. She is pregnant. What do you want? What do you want, my dearie? Where are we, Annie Boo?
Based on ownership. You love me despite myself.
So after that tank, you have to put it back on.
We're going to apply thread tape.
Oh, that's the water now, no?
Yeah, that's the water and the leak from the connection where we connect. So after you tighten, you apply thread tape.
Hit that also?
That should be tight. So after you tighten that, you apply thread tape to the area where the connection is going to go on.
You want to rub them? Yee.
Right? That's why the tape will go on the name thread tape, because I apply it on the threading area. So yeah.
Tell it, boy, look old.
You can sit there and make it last long, you know.
Yeah, because of course, smart rust. So the rust here, after it, you know, tell it,
Yeah, the water where.
come through it.
So you apply thread tape like so. And it don't need a lot.
What the fuck?
Put it off like so. Then, I care about the time it goes and stuff.
Oh, so the ones have to go back in it.
So the part where we apply thread tape and this screw on it. This is the connection. And you see if I just screw on this without the thread tape, water will leak through them threading area. So the thread tape seal them area when you screw it on so the water can leak.
What is?
Now show you how to do that. You just start about the connection. So wipe it off first. Right. And you put it on the ear. You have to make sure say you know cross thread it. You have to screw it up properly so it now cross thread. Yes, make sure it has screw on straight. So you screw it on with your hand to as much as your hand can do. And when your hand when you get tight that your hand can't do no more, you get a tool now. So this is called an adjustable wrench. Why it is an adjustable wrench? You use this little thing here to get the size where you need. So you can go smaller or you go wider. That's why it's an adjustable wrench. So you adjust it to the size of the then you lock it. Just turn the thing to lock it. And once you get the perfect size, you just proceed to tighten. Turn that goes here. So you just gently slide it on. Right. So this you use to adjust how much water you want in it. So either you bring it up, you notice it have one threading, and that's something you turn up. You do that to get more water in it. If you get less, you wind it down, make that something go down. So all of that I go for me know I want to go in there. I have to do this first and
Okay.
so,
That's it, what's the eyes?
you know what I do? Yeah, it's nothing.
It never reach exactly to the brim over the white one.
pressure high.
Yeah.
Put yourself on up.